Hey friends, welcome back to my channel, Life as Tiff Knows It. I wanted to do a video where I'm comparing two Michael's locations. And so I realized that I just did a shop with me at a different Michael's, but I wanted to show you a selection at a different Michael's. They did have a few different ones. That dog one is different. That is an addition to this Michael's. And they did have a kind of smaller selection of diamond paintings at this location for their main area here. And a lot of these were similar to the Michael's shop with me I did a little bit recently. But I thought, I'm always interested. Does different locations have different diamond paintings? And kind of just a view of them again is never a bad idea. So there's lots of landscapes. I don't remember this diamond painting here at the other one. They definitely had the Paris one, definitely had Hawaii as well. And then these ones down here were also ones that were at the different locations. So this Michael's is about 50 miles away from the other Michael's I usually go to. So I was just curious geographically if they change. Look at all of these beautiful, beautiful diamond paintings though that Make Market is putting out for people to make. I think that lion is new, or that tiger rather. Definitely remember all of the flowers and butterflies. And then that kit that Diamonds and Washi did. This section was not at my other Michael's. This was Harry Potter and Star Wars, like very much pop culture, if you will. Those ones were really tiny, and then they had these full Harry Potter ones. It doesn't really say very well the branding on it. I would imagine it's diamond dots in some form or another. And then there is Star Wars as well. And one of my favorite ones that I like here is, I do love Batman. Can't go wrong with Batman, Baby Yoda, Wonder Woman. And look how cute. There's Minnie and Mickey, and then there's Care Bears and Friends. So a large variety there of pop culture diamond paintings right on display. A good price point as well. And then last time I did show you some Christmas stuff. They have so many Christmas diamond paintings. It feels kind of random to me. They have these ornaments, but what I didn't see at my other Michael's were these greeting cards. So it's a pack of 4 greeting cards for $7.99. And look how cute that snowman is. There's a Nutcracker one. And then down below, there's a Santa and the Christmas tree one. So I was very interested in those. I did end up purchasing some of those. I like that they had a little display here that shows what diamond art kits look like. And so that was new. I didn't see this little display area or instructions. And then I figured I'd do the Christmas section again. I know it's early for Christmas. Some people really like it. There's some winter themes here that I thought was really cool. I really liked, oh, look at the puppies. That's cute. And then down here were some gnomes, fireplace. And then I like these 2-packs. Anyway, thank you so much for joining me on this diamond painting shop with me adventure. I'll see you next week's video. Bye.